Today we are going to do a very important message or on self-esteem. How to improve our self-esteem. We are going to do a proper meditation on that. So sit comfortably, everybody. Take a deep breath.
Ma'am, एक फोन
Completely. Yes. Take one more deep breath and relax again. Yeah. Take one more deep breath and relax furthermore. Now imagine the number 3 in front of you. Now imagine the number 3 in front of you. Once you imagine the number 3 is getting smaller and smaller. The number 3 is getting smaller and smaller. Now see the number 2 flashing down. As the number 2 flashes down, it's getting smaller and smaller. And the number is changing to 1. And your eyes are becoming heavier and heavier with the number 1. Now relax your forehead and see the white light entering your body and your head through this. The white light is moving down and relaxing your eyebrows, your eyelids, your cheek areas, your mouth, your chin. Your face is completely relaxed now. You have a deep sense of relaxation moving down your neck area. Now, the shoulders are completely relaxed. Tense the shoulders and relax them completely. And feel the sensation of relaxation moving down both your hands. Keep them loosely placed and see the relaxation feeling going down all through your arms. Relax your front portion, your chest area, your lungs, your stomach, your intestine. Now all are completely relaxed. Relax your backbone and see how comfortable you are feeling on this chair. There is a deep sense of relaxation as you feel the backbone is getting completely relaxed. Now feel this relaxation moving down your thigh area, your hips, your calf muscles, your knee, your toes. All are completely relaxed. Take a deep breath and relax yourself completely. Now imagine yourself on a beautiful beach. See how the wind is blowing across the beach. Feel the cold air of the beach. See the sand underneath your feet. See the birds and the seagulls chirping. How the waves are moving up and down as if there is life in them. Each wave is giving a different message to you today. You feel your life too has up and downs like the wave. See how the waves are coming and touching your feet. You feel completely cold now. As the waves recede from your legs, you try walking on the sand now. As you walk on the sand, you see there are a lot of labels written on the sand. These are the labels given to you in the past that have held you back. What all people gave you labels are written as labels on the sand. You are a very confident and capable and a very good person. Now see these labels in the sand and try to rub some of them by your foot and see them wash away. You have immense integrity. You are the unique creation of the Creator. You respect everybody and you love everybody. Now imagine the people who have given you these labels, their names are also written on the sand. Now you have a strong desire to forgive these people. After all, they are also human beings as you are human. And every human being in their lifetime commits mistakes. You accept that you have also committed mistake as they have done. You are now ready to forgive these people. See these people that you are forgiving them are now leaving your heart area and turning into these labels now. Now you are free from the burden of the past. There is no guilt, no blame, no judgment. Everything is the thing of the past now. You are completely free from the past. See that the chain of the past has been torn down or cut down. You are free like a pigeon who flies in the sky. You have total freedom now. You're free from the past. And now you see the labels, all their names written down. Just brush these names and with your feet and see them, a big wave coming and taking away all these labels into the ocean. See all the labels moving down into the ocean now. Erase the words away with the stroke of your feet. Watch the water comes to the shore, up to your feet and washes away the sand around you. They do not exist anymore. You are the only one who saw them and they are receding away. Once these labels are washed away, you feel again the coldness of the water and feel a sense of reliefness that everything is washed away and every time is a good time. Now you write, see the rock. Now you move further down the beach and you come to a large rock in the middle of the sand. You pick up a chalk which is nearby and try writing something on this rock that you are a gifted person. You are very talented. See yourself confident and see how you are accomplishing the future goals of your life. See how you make new friends, new relationship, new co-workers, new colleagues, new environment, and a new place. Take a look at yourself. Now you are vibrant with positive energy. You no longer hold yourself back with negative words. All you see is just positivity and a radiant energy, as if the fairies and the gods and goddesses are blessing you with this energy. You are more confident, more courageous, and more protected and more safer than ever before. You are in a beautiful circle where the god and goddesses are inviting you, and you feel the sense of safety and protection all around you. Now imagine 5 years from now, you have accomplished great things in life. You are worthy to be rich. You are confident. Now you are a career person. People are appreciating you for whatever you have done. You are doing something valuable for the society. You are doing something for the environment. You are doing something for the poor, for the charity. You are looking life in a different aspect. Every day is a new day and every day is a miracle day. See your self-esteem higher than before. Hold your head high. See yourself dressed in new way. New sense, new self-esteem, new image. Take a look at the mirror now and see how confident, how natural, how lovable you have become. You are enjoying the scenes in the mirror and enjoy for another few minutes.